Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to insert a micro SD card on your Nintendo Switch. So here's my little micro SD card. This one's 64 gigabytes, this one's getting old. This one's SanDisk. Now to actually insert this, flip over your Nintendo Switch and lift up this little stand right here. And underneath it will be the micro SD card slot. So you can see it right on the bottom. It says micro SD card, and it'll give you a direction on how to actually put it in. So the metallic pieces will be face down, and then slide it in and just click it in. Boom, it clicks in and it will come out now. And then you'll probably have to format the micro SD card in the settings, but to remove it, just click it in. So push it in, and then it will pop out a little bit, and then you can grab it and remove it, just like that. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.